Comfort at home isn't just about furniture or decor. It's about how well your home protects you from outside conditions while supporting a calm, consistent indoor environment. One area that often gets overlooked is the door. Aging or poorly performing doors can quietly affect comfort every day. For homeowners in Covington, replacing old doors is a simple yet powerful way to improve how the home feels from morning to night. Why older doors often reduce comfort over time. Doors experience wear from constant use. Frames can shift, materials can weaken, and seals may no longer fit tightly. In Covington residences, these changes often result in drafts near entryways, uneven indoor temperatures, or doors that feel difficult to open and close. Even small gaps around the door can allow outside air to move freely inside, disrupting comfort throughout nearby rooms. Eliminating drafts that affect daily living. Drafts are one of the most noticeable comfort issues caused by aging doors. Cold or warm air entering through gaps can make entryways uncomfortable and affect adjacent living spaces. Replacement doors are designed to fit securely within the frame, helping eliminate unwanted airflow. Covington homeowners often notice that rooms near entry doors feel more stable and comfortable once drafts are addressed. Supporting more consistent indoor temperatures. Doors that leak air contribute to temperature fluctuations throughout the home. Some rooms may feel warmer, while others struggle to stay comfortable. Replacing older doors helps Covington homes maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. A properly fitted door acts as a barrier that keeps indoor conditions steady, reducing hot and cold spots. Improving comfort in high-traffic areas. Entryways are among the most frequently used areas in a home. When doors allow drafts or stick during operation, these spaces can feel frustrating and uncomfortable. Replacement doors improve comfort in these high-traffic areas. Covington residents enjoy smoother operation, better sealing, and entryways that feel welcoming instead of drafty or inconvenient. Reducing noise and disruptions. Gaps around older doors don't just allow air through, they can also let outside noise enter the home. Street sounds or nearby activity can become more noticeable indoors. Replacement doors help reduce this noise by closing more tightly against the frame. Covington homeowners often appreciate the quieter, more peaceful environment that follows a door upgrade. Making living spaces more usable. When areas near doors are uncomfortable, homeowners tend to avoid them. Seating or workspaces near entryways may go unused due to drafts or temperature changes. By replacing doors, Covington homeowners reclaim these spaces. Improved comfort makes it easier to use every part of the home without rearranging furniture or adding temporary fixes. Enhancing daily convenience. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about ease of use. Doors that stick, drag, or require force to close can disrupt daily routines. Replacement doors restore smooth operation. Covington residents benefit from doors that open and close effortlessly, making everyday activities more convenient and less frustrating. Reducing the need for temporary solutions. Many homeowners rely on draft blockers, curtains, or rugs to compensate for uncomfortable doors. While helpful, these are short-term fixes. Replacement doors eliminate the need for these workarounds. Covington homeowners enjoy a cleaner, more reliable solution that improves comfort at the source. Long-term comfort. You can rely on. New doors are built to maintain their shape and seal over time. With proper installation, they continue to perform consistently without frequent adjustments. For Covington residences, this means long-lasting comfort that doesn't fade after a few seasons. A simple upgrade with daily benefits. Replacing a door may seem like a small change, but its impact is felt every day. From reduced drafts to quieter interiors and smoother operation, the benefits add up quickly. For homeowners in Covington, replacement doors improve everyday comfort by creating a more stable, calm, and enjoyable home environment. One that feels better the moment you step inside and continues to deliver comfort throughout the day.